Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, once again, we saw another day today of temperatures in the mid-90s, 94 officially so far here in Eugene. Might get a little uptick in the last hour here, so we'll keep a watch on it, but I still think we're safe. Today's record is 98, set back in 1972. And yesterday, smashed it. 94 was the old record. We got to 96, and if you were outside at all yesterday afternoon, you certainly knew it was hot. Didn't feel as hot today, but still pretty uncomfortable out there, especially because we started off this morning as warm as we did. We'll have the almanac information coming up here at 6 o'clock. Right now, this is what we're looking at. Clear skies inland, basically from Portland all the way down towards Medford. Some of the marine cloud cover just kind of oozing its way down the coastline. That's been keeping things in the 60s most of the day today. As you might expect, that is where we'll likely see things sit for tomorrow along the coast. And then we slowly start to see some of that cooler air. I mean slowly over the next 2 days, work its way southward down here across the valley. And that will eventually start to cool things off. Live shot outside right now. Downtown Eugene looking pretty good. We still got plenty of sunshine. 94 degrees is the current temperature, 26% the humidity. So you can tell the dryness of the air, and the drier the air is, the faster it heats and cools. Now, that's generally why we can heat up so quickly when we have this big dome of high pressure on us, but that also will allow us to at least take some of that heat off, or sort of a little bit of the edge off of that. Let's contrast that as you get out towards the Science Center. Nice looking afternoon, 61 degrees officially out towards Newport, but look, you can see where the marine layer basically is just kind of working its way down the coast, and where you've got clear skies as you get just into the harbor. Pretty interesting shot there, and that's what we've been watching for most of the afternoon. 90 out in Bend as well. How about 97 in Roseburg, 61 in Newport, 84 in Sun River, and 57 officially as you get out towards Florence. Okay, next 24 hours on the Stormcast, we'll see the intrusion of some of the morning cloud cover try to sneak its way back down into the valleys. I don't think it'll be real successful. If it does, it'll be super shallow and then gone very quickly as we head in towards tomorrow afternoon. And then we slowly start to see what we call trough, basically sort of a little big dip approaching, and that will eventually start to cool things off. Overnight tonight, though, we'll likely keep things into the upper 50s. As high pressure slowly starts to shift eastward and flatten out a bit, we'll start to get some of that cooler air moving in, and eventually start to get some of those, we'll call little disturbances, get a little stronger, that might bring a slight chance for some drizzle or shower, especially in through Saturday evening. Still, though, kickoff forecast looks good for the Ducks. We'll see temperatures around 70 degrees. So we'll go partly cloudy, morning clouds, temperatures in the low mid-60s at the coast once again. The Umpqua not as hot, but still in the 90s, low 90s basically from Elkton down towards Myrtle Creek. Upper 70s to around 80 degrees, 87 in Oak Ridge. As we mentioned, air quality going to be an issue again there for tomorrow. Mid 80s as you get across Central Oregon, and at least a bit of a couple of degrees break into the upper 80s for tomorrow. Coast for the Labor Day forecast will look like this. We'll keep a chance for some drizzle at times, mostly cloudy skies, and a slight chance for showers. The Umpqua, I don't think any of those disturbances will be strong enough to make it that far south, so we'll take them out, but the cooler air will certainly be a nice relief. Cascades, just a slight chance for showers there as well. Nothing major in force here in the valley. I know we've been mentioning it, Melissa and Marissa and myself, but I don't think it's really going to have much of an impact on your Labor Day plans. But the good news is those upper 70s will have a major impact, and that you can actually, I don't know, enjoy yourself outside. You know,
big difference between the two. Thank you, Justin.
Love the station wagon there. Most of us